Huge textbooks, never-ending worksheets, and messy whiteboards are things of the past. Modern education blends art with learning to help students reach their goals. So what are the benefits of this? Firstly, it boosts student engagement. Consider which of the following will appeal to a student more. A written description of photosynthesis or a video or diagram of photosynthesis. Research shows that most students learn better with the second option. It's simply because visual arts are nicer to look at, leading to it being more appealing than plain text. It also facilitates comprehension. Artistic elements help learners grasp topics easily by visualizing abstract concepts. Whether it's representations of geometry, historical events, or chemicals, visuals can help students focus on the vital areas of any topic. Thirdly, research shows that images are the simplest and most effective way to make sure that information is stored as long-term memory. This leads us to Val Learnis, an educational platform that seamlessly blends art and education together. Our entire app is modeled on the idea that education can be beautiful. Follow us to find out more.